Okay, so this is the Hydrology, and it is a little cooler, so a little drinking thing. So let's see what we got here. So we've got a little strap with the cover on it, pretty nice, with a little plastic. I'm guessing I have to take off this plastic probably, so it will seal. And we have this one here, which is the drinkable cap, which will open like that. So you can open and close it. And now let's see what the little deal looks like in here. And here we go. So I got the red one. So here, this is what it looks like. So H2, and it's insulated, so it should keep this stuff cold. Oh, it's pretty cool. It's got a straw in there. It comes with an extra straw. And this is the 18-ounce one, so it's not the biggest, but you know, it's good for just taking a nice cold or warm drink, and it looks like it's a nice thick wall, so it'll close up really good. Unlike some of the other ones where it has a snap-in cap, this one here, you can, it's got a screw-in cap, so if you like that, you can screw it on there, and it's not going anywhere. You're not gonna lose it. You can shake it up and down and nothing's gonna happen. So it's really nice looking one here. You can either use this cap or got 3 different choices. So there's this one here, and then it has the little handle on the side there. Or this one here where it has no handle on it, but it's the most compact, and then you just drink through it there or stick the straw in or something, whatever you wanna do. So that's this one here. It's the Hydrology H2 vacuum insulated 18-ounce. It says 18/8 stainless on it. So it's nice. It looks really good, and I picked red because red is my favorite color. Although I probably should have picked like a color that matched my car or something, because I'll probably keep it in there. But really nice. Don't even know what to say anything bad about it. It seems like a really nice thermos. Excellent. Thumbs up for me. And be sure and like and subscribe. And I'll talk to you guys next time.